The tiger orchid is a stunning and rare plant, boasting vibrant orange blooms speckled with white, resembling the pattern of a tiger's coat. With its large, dramatic flowers and vigorous growth, it's a spectacular choice for both indoor and outdoor plant collections. Its bold and exotic appearance makes it a must-have for plant enthusiasts seeking something truly unique. Plant Care Guide. Light prefers bright, indirect light. While it thrives with ample light to support its large blooms, avoid direct sun exposure as it can scorch the leaves. Water. Water thoroughly when the soil or orchid mix feels dry, ensuring proper drainage. The tiger orchid enjoys slight drying between waterings, but should not be left dry for extended periods. Soil. Best suited to a well-draining orchid mix, typically composed of bark, perlite, and charcoal. This mix allows for good air circulation around the roots while retaining enough moisture to support healthy growth. Temperature. Flourishes in warm conditions between 70 to 85 degrees Fahrenheit, 21 to 29 degrees Celsius. Since it thrives in tropical environments, maintaining warmth is crucial, especially in cooler climates. Humidity. Requires high humidity levels, ideally between 60 to 80%. Increase humidity by misting the plant regularly or placing it on a humidity tray, particularly in dry environments. Fertilizer. Feed every 2 weeks with a balanced orchid fertilizer during the growing season. Regular feeding promotes vigorous growth and enhances the development of its striking blooms. Why grow the tiger orchid? With its bold colors and impressive size, the tiger orchid is a true showstopper. Its unique blooms command attention, making it a standout in any garden or indoor space. Perfect for orchid lovers and collectors of rare and exotic plants, this orchid brings a touch of the wild to any setting. Like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more gardening tips.